Hi, my name's Jaxon, and welcome to, what is this, Hands-on Equations? High Roller Edition. My name's Jaxon. I go to Royal Middle School. Yeah, this is totally middle school. Today, we're going to be teaching you about the wonderful thing about red blocks and green blocks and white pawns and blue pawns. But okay, so a red block, the number that is facing you, like let's say 8, stays the same. Let's say on the other side there's, a helpful 5. We can subtract, and now this side equals 3. That's how that works. Now let's say we have 0 on this side, or 1, and a 5 on this. Subtract, and get rid of both because I'm too lazy to do that. And these are negative constants. Basically, they're this but negative. You can add these together. You can't add these. Both if you put something on the chart, you have to add it on both sides to equivalent each other. And now let's talk about the opposite of x. This equals what the opposite of x is. And x equals the same thing as x. You get okay, so let's begin. Hi, I'm back here today. Sorry, bad English is not it is my strength, but okay. Let's just look at this through a different eye. 4x plus 3 equals, I assume you can read, so I'm not going to say it. So, let's get on with it. So, we have 2 on each side of this, so we can take away that from there. Now we have 7 and a 3. Let's just ignore that happened. So, we can change this into a 4 and get rid of this. So, what does x equal, friends? X equals 2. Now, see you again soon in the next problem. Yeehaw! Is Lucario better in bed? I mean, there's Knuckle Fist night. I mean, that would be some strange fist. Okay, so, hi. Go. Hi, we're back from that short commercial break with another problem, just like the problem child holding my camera. Negative 3x plus 2, problem child, equals plus x. Now, negative 3x is the opposite of x, so that's what I mean. Oh, whoa, start the recording. Ooh, oh, whoa. So, back at you with another problem here for us to solve together. Please pause the video and solve this. And if you can get it, good job. You're not a failure. So, our problem here is negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So, negative 3x is equivalent to the opposite of x, which is these white pawns. So, let's start solving our problems the way God intended. So, we can add a pawn to each side because it won't change the equation a bit. So we do this until we run out of blue pawns, which is actually quite quickly. I didn't anticipate this, so we can remove all of these because there's 3 pairs of 0. And if it's 0, it doesn't matter. So we have 2 and 10. So we can add a 10 to each of these to even out, because if you add it to both sides, it doesn't matter. Just like some people's rights. So now these cancel each other out, so get rid of them. So what does that leave us? X equals 4. Good job if you got it, and if you didn't, I still love you, but just a bit less. Jaxon out. Hi, it's Jaxon again, back to bring you another problem. Pshaw. I don't know if I could edit that in, so I don't know. So our first problem is wazam, negative 3x plus 5 plus x. Bum, bum, bum. That is equivalent to 2x plus negative 3. Let's just get these in order real quickie. So let's just boopity bop bop boop beep. So let's get back here. Let's get that back in there. So my policy of throwing things just gets better. So we can instantly remove this pair of 0. Now let's start adding these to each side because it doesn't matter. Just like you having friends doesn't matter. We can also do that, but that isn't fun. Move the pairs of 0 because we can do that. Because 0 is equivalent to nothing. Let's see what we have here. So let's add. You can add 3 to both of these. Actually, you cannot add 3 to both of these because that is not. So let's add something close to 3. How about 5? Improvisation is always key. So this leaves us with 2. So get out of here. And this is equivalent to 10. So let's just get this. And so now we have our math. So what does x equal? Because, well, x has to be equivalent to 8 because 10 minus 2 equals 8. So x equals 2. That was educational. Now have a good day and don't let your father go for milk. Are you still recording?